In this video, we are going to learn how to convert standard form to vertex form. Now, as a reminder, I'm going to write down what vertex form is, which is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where h and k make up your vertex, and a is the stretch and compression factor in front. And what's really nice is this a value does match the a value in standard form. So in terms of writing our answer, we're already one step closer to getting there. So I already know what a is, but now I need to figure out what h and k are. And we learned earlier how to find h and k. We can use negative b over 2a to find h. So negative b over 2a. We have 10 for b, and a is 2. So we'll have h is equal to negative of 10 over 2 times 2. So h is negative 10 over 4, which can simplify to negative 5 halves. Now to find k, we just plug this function into the equation. So k, which will be the y value of your vertex, should equal 2 times negative 5 halves squared plus 10 times negative 5 halves plus 7. So k will equal 2 times 25 fourths plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 times negative 5, which is negative 25, plus 7. Here, 2 divided by 4 is 2, so we get 25 halves. Negative 25 plus 7 is negative 18, so minus 18. We'll find our common denominator, which will be 2. So we'll have 25 halves minus 36 halves, giving us negative 11 halves. So we know our vertex is negative 5 halves, negative 11 halves, and now we can go ahead and plug these into our vertex form, because now we'll have y is equal to a 2 times x minus h, which in this case is negative 5 halves, squared plus negative 11 halves. So going through, I'll have y is equal to 2 times x plus 5 halves squared minus 11 halves. Let's try this again. So now we have y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 5. Now, the a in this case is negative 1. Even though you can't see the 1, it's definitely understood to be there. H, we know, is negative b over 2a, so h will equal negative of 4 over 2 times negative 1. So that's negative 4 over negative 2, which is just a positive 2. And k is equal to plugging that value into the equation. So negative of 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5. So negative 4 plus 8 minus 5. So negative 4 plus 8 is 4. And k is equal to negative 1. So my answer becomes y equals negative 1, which will just be represented as a negative in front of the parentheses, x minus 2. This time we don't have a double negative, so that's nice. And then plus negative 1, which is really minus 1. And that is how you convert standard form to vertex form.